Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Game Development in Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language that is not only easy to learn but also powerful enough for various applications, including game development. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of creating simple games using Python, along with the popular pygame library. Pygame provides a set of modules and functions that simplify game development, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Prerequisites. Step 1. Setting up your development environment. Before you start coding, make sure you have Python and pygame installed. Create a new directory for your game project and open your preferred code editor. Step 2. Creating the game window. Let's start by setting up a basic game window using pygame. This code initializes pygame, creates a game window, and starts a basic game loop that listens for the quit event. Step 3. Handling user input. Let's add basic keyboard input to control an object on the screen. This code adds a player rectangle that can be moved left and right using the arrow keys. Step 4. Adding game logic. Now, let's add a basic game logic, such as handling collisions and scoring. This code introduces an enemy that moves down the screen, and the player must avoid collisions with it. The game stops when a collision occurs, displaying the final score. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to game development in Python using the pygame library. As you progress, you can explore more advanced topics such as adding sound, implementing game levels, and creating more complex game mechanics. Experiment, have fun, and happy coding. ChatGPT.